Hello folks, this is Steve A.B. for you. I'm circling back into Franklinville because I want to show you something. Now, a couple of years back, during the fiber optic tunneling operation, the Franklinville United Methodist Church suffered an explosion at a gas-powered air conditioning unit, and it caused part of the sanctuary wall to collapse, and then the rest of it collapsed in pieces. I saw it. I happened to be in town to see some of the collapsing. See the dirt piled up? Now this front part is where they're going to rebuild the sanctuary. Now I'm going to pull into the parking lot for the Franklinville Town Hall. I'm not going to go in even though the gate is open. Oh, all right, maybe I'll take advantage of that. Look ahead. They've dug the trenching. They've dug the trenching to build the foundation. And I'm sorry the sun is still not down far enough. Hang on. Now give me a moment to get out of the car and to limp around a little bit. I'll try to stay on this side of the fence to stay legal. Okay, I'm out of the car. So for whatever reason, they have that there. They have cinder blocks piled up. They have trenching with rebar in it. And then they have these orange caps on there on a different kind of rebar. It's got, it looks like to me it's threaded. The back of the vestibule, the sanctuary, managed to stay up. It was the front wall, which was only 2 bricks deep. I'm not going to walk down there, but you can see that they've dug and trenched the outline of the new sanctuary. There's an electrical box. I'm smiling at the progress. I'm glad it's happening. Now this has been staging for 2 weeks. All right? And the next time I see a big progress, I'll stop by and turn my camera on again. I'm smiling because I'm glad to see that the work has commenced. The back of the building in the fellowship hall they use for a monthly meal for the community, and it's the Deep River Precinct voting. This is a community church, community dedicated, committed church. And I'm smiling to see the beginning of this work. So let me get back in the car. Okay. Now, I'm going to go into town, show you one more thing. Matter of fact, I think I'll turn my regular camera on. Now, I want to go slowly. Don't want to get hit by anybody. All right, they've been doing some work here along the curbing here in front of the next building, which is partially a library and partially, but I want you to see to the left, Deep River Yadkin Railroad. They painted the mural. They painted the mural. Okay, I captured that, and what I'll do is I'll show it to you as I'm driving down this section of. Very good. I'm going to pull over and stop, and there's a car behind me. I don't know what he wants to do. Okay, there we go. When people obey the speed limit and are careful, I love it. Right, and that guy's going to make a turn, so I'll let him go first. And then I use it to do a 180, using the curb parking lane to look back, so that I'm sure that I'm not going to jump into traffic in a way that's not safe. So this is the park on the left, Riverside Park, Franklinville Fire Station. An engine went out earlier. And then again, look to the right on this building. There's no traffic behind me. History lives here, Franklinville, North Carolina. They worked on painting that mural, Deep River Yadkin Railroad Rail Trail. That's right, we have the rail trail here. And that names the railroad. And then as we crest here to the left is the Franklinville United Methodist Church, partially under reconstruction, the sanctuary. Seeing that really makes me smile. And gas right now is $3.39. Steve AB4L headed home, saying see you at 73.